Rolling and action.
I was just using the same lights for the.
Father? Father?
Hello, I'm Ritu and welcome to my channel. So I'm going for a studio shoot today. It's going to be a full day of shooting. So I'm packing some extra stuff, some extra clothes and makeup. So yeah, it's gonna be a very real kind of a vlog. I feel like I should do more these kind of vlogs rather than only travel vlogs. So yeah, you'll get to see more of these vlogs hopefully. I decided to go with this pink shirt with a pair of plain blue jeans. There will be a lot of outfit changes throughout the day. I'm carrying a lot of extra clothes that I'll be changing for different videos. It will be like short videos throughout the day that we'll be shooting. I just have to finish my makeup now. You know, when I started content creation, I didn't really thought that it will get me these kind of opportunities. Like today I'm going for a studio shoot. It's really surprising that how things can turn out to be for someone like me who is doing this part-time, not doing this full-time. By the way, I have my job as well. I have a lot of other things going on, and I'm just doing this content creation on the side. I'll just blend it nicely. I'm just gonna go in with a concealer now. This coming week is going to be a very busy week because I have this shoot today, and then after 2 to 3 days I have to go to one event. So probably I'll be vlogging that as well. So you'll get to see what happens in these kind of events. It's gonna be a really fun event. So I'm hoping I'll meet a lot of other creators as well from there, like who are from Bangalore. I'm gonna go in with a compact powder. I'm also planning a solo trip this month. I hope it happens because it's been almost more than 6 months that I've not been on a solo trip, and I feel like almost something is missing in my life. So I need to plan a solo trip very soon for my mental health. So I'll be going on a solo trip this month, and the location I am like deciding which one. I have two locations in my mind, so I'll be deciding which one I'll be going, and I'll let you know pretty soon. You'll get to know it pretty soon. So yeah, also this is the first time that I'm going for a studio shoot, so I'm also not sure how things will go. I just hope things goes well, and I'm pretty nervous and excited both for this opportunity. So let's see how this goes. So I'm packing everything in this bag. I have few extra tops and some bottom wear options. I've like taken some tops, some regular tops, some crop tops, and two bottom wear options. These are two trousers, one black and one purple, and one jeans I'm already wearing. So I can just alternate between all these items and like create different outfits for different videos. I'm also packing this makeup pouch. I have some basic makeup in here. I have the foundation, the concealer that I just used, the compact powder, and some lipstick options. So yeah, I might be needing them throughout the day. I'm already done with the makeup, but I'll need to touch up the whole day. So I'm just carrying this pouch just in case I need it. I'm also carrying some jewelry. I have some dainty jewelry in here and a pack of tissue papers and power bank. I'll never forget a power bank, and I'm carrying my tripod as well because I'm planning to vlog the whole day, obviously. Now everything is packed. I'm gonna go do my breakfast now, and I also have to dry my hair a bit, and then I'll be good to go. The cab is almost here. I think this is gonna go well with all the outfits that I've taken today. On the shoes. Okay, done. So this was the first studio that I entered, but later on the studio got changed, so we went to another location and the shoot happened there. The big lights and camera looked a bit intimidating to me at first, but this is how the shoot went.
Rolling. And action. Cut. Place it on the table. 0721. So, when you say action, just show the display. Yeah. Push the. Rolling. And action. Rolling. And action.
I realized I wasn't using bad. I was choosing.
Cut. Here.
I wasn't choosing.
I realized I wasn't choosing. I was just using the same light.
Rolling. And action.
I realized I wasn't choosing.
Rolling. And action.
I was just using the same lights for the.
Further. Further.
I was using the same lights for every room.
Rolling. And action.
I realized I was just using the same light for every room. So it's almost 3 now. I came here at 9:30 a.m. and now we are taking a break. I'm having chicken rice meal and after that we again have to shoot 3 more videos. So far going good. It's really exciting to see how these videos are shot like on a real time basis, the behind the scenes of all these. I'm really enjoying the experience.
Take it out. When I say action, keep it in the same exact place.
I'll bring it with me.
Yes, you have to pick it in. Ready? Rolling. And action. First shot. Use.
I'll sit down. Okay.
Hands up. Rolling. And action. 1 and 2. Out. Perfect. Cut.
So I reached home just now. It's almost 10 and I got cold again. I forgot to pack a jacket for me yesterday when I was packing. So I came in a cab. The windows were closed at the back, but still the driver's windows were open and I just got cold. That's why my eyes are red. Anyway, the shoot went really well. We could shoot about 4 videos, we could record 4 videos, and I could see the whole process, how things goes. Like this was my first experience on how a production house or these kind of shoots go. So it was a really nice experience, and I can tell you, like reading from a script, like remembering the lines and delivering it in front of a camera, when there's a camera, when there are lights and there's a crew in front of you, it's very difficult. It becomes very difficult. I messed up at so many places. Like I was fumbling. I was not able to like remember the whole line and say it in front of the camera. That happened a lot of times. I was feeling bad that I was getting stuck so many times, but it was happening because like I'm not used to these kind of a studio setup. So I was getting tensed and I was not able to deliver the lines properly. But sometimes I'm able to do, sometimes I'm not able to do. So yeah, but they were very encouraging, they were very supportive, the people, the crew over there. Let me just set up my camera on a tripod. Yeah, but overall it was a great experience. Like obviously it will take time for me to get used to these kind of things, and then I'll be able to deliver the lines more easily and correctly every time, because the script actually was something that I had to read the exact line and with the exact words. That's why I was getting stuck more, because whenever I'll make videos for Instagram or YouTube, I will write the talking points and I will just talk on my own, like I'll make up the sentences and speak on my own. But here we had to follow the exact script, whatever was written, whatever sentence was there, we had to follow the exact script for the brand. So that's why I was getting stuck, probably because we had to deliver the exact sentence. And you actually get to realize how much effort goes into a 30-second or a 60-second video, like a studio setup and people working around for a 30 or a 60-second video. You actually get to realize that every second counts, literally every second counts. Whatever you are shooting, whatever you're saying, every second counts in a video when you're making these kind of content. So that was a very valuable experience for me. So now I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you liked watching it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will probably make more vlogs like these, and I'll see you in my next one.